Let's make wonton today. Chicken wonton. At first, take a grinder. Add 2 tablespoons chicken, sliced in this size. One green chili. Half teaspoon ginger garlic paste. 1 tablespoon soy sauce. 1 tablespoon fresh coriander. Only this much ingredients we need. Time to grind them together. Mix well. This consistency is perfect. Now time for wrapping the wontons. In any super shops you can find easily this frozen wonton wrappers. Take out them from freezer before 1 hour of using. Place 1 sheet. Water is needed to help wrapping. At one corner of the sheet, put 1 teaspoon mixture. With your fingertip, slide water around the mixture. Now fold the corner by covering mixture carefully. Follow me very attentively in this step and do same as me. Add little water here. The water works as glue while wrapping. A perfect wonton wrapping is done. Now sharing and other wrapping process. It is comparatively easy. With the help of a fork, seal the mixture inside. Second type wrapping is also done. Choose which process seems easy to you. Now frying time. In heated oil, add the wontons one by one. Fry in medium heat. It only takes 4 to 5 minutes to cook each side. Almost done. You can subscribe if you find my recipes easy. Upcoming upload will be a Thai soup recipe which will be a good combo with wonton. Enjoy!